Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome if you are new here. If you are a returning subscriber / viewer, welcome back. Today I am back with a unboxing, a late unboxing. I told you guys, I believe on my last video, that I was going to do a reveal more so of my Christmas gift. I've already put up shorts. So if you watch my short, you saw the bag that I got for Christmas. So it's not a true unboxing for either one of these items. But like I said, it was late Christmas gift. So this is the item that I got from Christmas. And then this was something from the Takashi Murakami drop. I also did a quick video just talking a little bit about what's available at that time, what was available still. You guys probably have seen hundreds of videos, on about the drop, the issues that went wrong, unboxings and all of that. So I'm not going to spend too much time talking about Takashi Murakami. But yeah, I did want to reveal my Christmas gift. Is not in the box, and this is not the dust bag that it came in. The box and the dust bag is somewhere in my closet, but I was happy that I was able to get a bag, and then I have two of these now. I did do a previous video on my card holder that I got, so I believe I did have that video up. Let's move this to the side. As you can see, it's sort of a smaller bag. So this is the Speedy Trunk 20 in the reverse monogram. As you can see, of course, she's already dressed up. I've already carried her. Like I said, this is a late video, but I did want to, I promised you guys that I would do a reveal of the bag. Okay, so I do have quite a few Speedy 20s. I want to say this is my second favorite size. I love this size. I can carry all of the items that I need pretty much in here. If it's my iPad, of course, that won't fit, but my day-to-day items. The inside of the bag, I do have the strap inside. This is the strap that it comes with. And I just added an extender to it. When I have like a jacket on, like a heavy coat, I just need it to be a little bit longer. And if you saw that reel, I did switch it up and I used a different strap. I will insert a picture. This bag with the two different straps. So I have an organizer in here, a red organizer, but the inside is black. So I like a pop of color, so I just added this red organizer. It has one pocket on the back. Inside of here you have the key. I have the lock already on the bag. So that's just the keys in there. And the lock is displayed here. I added a chain. That's from my mini bum bag. I don't carry this on my mini bum bag. I have two of these and I use them on other bags. Just a little LV charm there. You see it has the studs on the side. Then it details on the bottom. I still have the paper on it to protect it. Once it starts peeling off, I'll take it off. But yeah. And then on the back, I just have another chain from Shein or Temu, one of those places. So it has the upside down LV. It's all one piece. As you can see, goes around like that. So I won't go too much in detail. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen plenty of videos of this bag, but I do love her. She's one of my current favorites. Some of the items that I got from the multicolor collection from Takashi Murakami. And like I said on my previous video, you guys, if you saw that, it's a quick 2-minute video. So if you haven't seen that, just pause, go look at that video, and then come back here. Because you guys, if you saw that, you know that I wanted the Alma BB in the multicolor. I'll insert a picture. So that was something that was super hard to get. So if you weren't in, you know, top tier, maybe even the second tier, somebody may have gotten it. But yeah, I wasn't able because I just went online on launch day. I didn't go in the store or anything like that, but I did contact my SA to get a few pieces that were available. So this is the first one, and they didn't have at the time where I got this one, they didn't have the Takashi Murakami, the special ribbon and hang tag. So, you know, she just sent me this one, and I appreciate it because I am going to display these, and it comes in a little bag, kind of give you a hint what it might be. And I got the bracelet and the multicolor. This is the white. It comes in white and black. If I would, you know, been able to get both, I probably would have snagged the black one too, but definitely wanted to get the white one. And let me give you the name of this one. This is called the Takashi Murakami LV Signature Bracelet. And like I said, it is in the multicolor white. Yeah. But I thought this was cute. And a little spoiler alert, I will have a bag coming. If you know, you know. You guys know I work with Save Bullets. So I will have an unboxing soon. That's all I gotta say. So this will go with my bag that's coming. And like I said, this is one bracelet that I did get from LV, and I've had this probably 2 to 3 years. She's starting to tarnish a little bit, but like I said, I mean, it's a fun piece. So I did get my hands on that one. So I'm gonna put her back. So here. And then I was able to get the bag. Oh, inside I just have, I'm going to talk a little bit about a vintage piece that I've had for a while. But yeah, this is the cute bag. And I really love this bear. This panda, it's a different one that's on the back. I don't know if this is called the onion head or something. I can't remember. But I'm all about the panda. The panda is super cute. So I definitely was happy when I opened it. I had this shipped to me. So when I opened it and I saw the panda, because I am definitely going to frame. Actually, I may use this little gift tag in one of my planners. Look at there. That's so cute with the colorful monogram on the back. So I might laminate her and put her inside of the planner. You know, something cute. And I'll, you know, preserve the ribbon and everything. So I was so happy when I did get the special packaging. So some bags came with the tissue paper. Of course, I didn't get that. But it's okay. I was happy just to get the panda. Every time I see pandas, I think about the movie that came out with Kevin Hart, Secret Life of Pets, I believe, with Kevin Hart played the little bunny rabbit, and he was doing the song Panda, the rap song Panda, and it was like hilarious. So whenever I hear panda or see, you know, something, a panda, picture of a panda, I think about that movie. So yeah, I am in love with this panda. Okay, so you can see I have a little small dust bag, so you guys probably have an idea what it is. And I got the Romy card holder. And look at there. Look at that panda. That's probably the #1 reason why I wanted this, because of the panda. That is like so cute, right, guys? Look at that beautiful. And gold. You guys know I love gold. When I saw that online, I tried. I was like, you know, it kept saying notify me. I kept refreshing. I was like, I might have to reach out to my SA to get this one. So yeah, And it does have the white multicolor, just like my bracelet. This is going to be a beautiful piece for the spring and summer. Knowing me, I'll probably bring her out even before it gets warm. But yeah, that's those two together. And you guys know I did a video of my other Romy card holder and the traditional, or the monogram, the brown monogram, and it does have this fuchsia color or pink. Actually, is what is it? Pondy pink is what I kept calling it on the other video. But this is embossed, and I love this. Beautiful. You guys know I love pink, especially hot pink. So like I said, it does have the zipper pull with the panda on there. And then the inside, check this out. The inside is the pink. And it just has, I don't know if you'll be able to see, inside of there, it has the 20-year anniversary celebration. So the Takashi Murakami is celebrating 20 years. So this drop was a big one. You know, a lot of people who've been collectors of LV, you know, some may have had the vintage pieces and they wanted a few items from the new release. But yeah, I wish I could have gotten my Alma, because you guys know I love Alma. The Alma BB is my favorite size. But like I said, I had to go to the other side. So when that comes in, I'm going to do a unboxing of that. And, you know, a little comparison. I don't have the authentic to compare it to. Well, not in the multicolor, but I will compare it to my wallet, you know, to see the colors, if they're, you know, vibrant, like the colors on the wallet, and also the bracelet. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And like I said, I did want the bandeau. You go back and check out some of my other videos. If you know, watch me, you know, I love to put bandeaus on my bag. Actually, I have not put one on this one yet, but I think I will. I love bandeaus, and I really wanted that black one. I'll insert a picture of that. I'm hoping that, you know, I'll be able to find one. One will become available. I'm definitely going to get that because she is beautiful. But the item, you know, it came in like a little dust bag. I don't know what I did with it, but I found this little box, so I just put it in this little box for presentation. But this is a vintage piece from the original drop 20 years ago, or whenever it was. I didn't get it 20 years ago. So this is the bandeau, and it's larger and wider than the ones that they re-released, but it does have the same, you know, similar colorway. I think the newer ones may have the larger LVs on it. I've used this on bags. I've used it as a headband, and I love to use my bandeaus in my hair also. I think it's cute. I've used it around my neck. Just, you know, you can get several uses out of these. So I was happy that I did have this one, at least, in case I can't get my hands on the other bandeaus that were re-released. But I would love to get the black one. And since I already have this one, I don't need the white one to match my wallet and my bracelet. So even though these are the smaller LVs, I think they will all go together nicely. Kind of display them so you guys can see. I like to have it on this side. How cute is that? So these are my items that I picked up from the Takashi Murakami drop. One more on the way. Christmas gift, and my Romy card holder. I'm actually using that in my bag now. I may come back for what's in my bag. I think my next video may be a Coach unboxing. I do have some Coach items that I want to show you guys that I picked up. Some are from the Cherry drop, so I will be back for that video. But yeah, zoom in a little bit. Look at that. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new here, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel if you like this type of content. And please return. I will be back, like I said, with my Coach unboxing. So please stay tuned for that. All right, thanks again for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.